Neora's Illumaboost Brightening and Shield is your easy-to-use skin enhancer that brightens, hydrates, and guards your face against harmful urban pollutants. Illumaboost comes with two 15-day use bottles, giving you a month's worth of product. When using Illumaboost for the first time, start by pressing the pump down to open the dual-compartment chamber. This action releases niacinamide and vitamin C from a separate chamber, allowing Illumaboost to remain at its most potent until you're ready to use it. Next, shake the bottle for a few seconds until the formula is completely mixed. To apply, press 1 to 2 pumps of Illumaboost into your hand and mix with your day cream, night cream, foundation, or sunscreen. Then, with the mixture ready to use, apply to your skin like you would your regular products. You can also apply Illumaboost directly to your face. Just smooth over your skin before applying your other products. Illumaboost can be used both morning and night. Each bottle should be used within 15 days of first pump for optimal benefits. Give your skin and your skincare regimen the boost it needs with Illumaboost Brightening and Shield.